Hey, thanks for your comment. Yeah, no, the program that I promote is not the 15-day builder challenge. What I promote is passive income blueprints. Now, there's a reason that that builder challenge seemed scammy to you, and it's because of the sales tactics that they use. They try to get you in the door by telling you that you only need to pay $7 and you're going to learn everything that you need to know. Then shortly into the course, you are locked out until you speak with a business advisor that's trying to upsell you into the blueprints. And this happens not once, but twice. So passive income blueprints is different in that they do not use sales tactics of this manner. They also are teaching you in the training how to promote anything that you want to promote. It does not have to be the program itself. You're not just given a bunch of training videos either and left to your own devices. So you get a lifetime membership with some of the best mentors that are in the industry. You also get 24-hour support from a community of like-minded individuals who are there to not only grow their own business, but to help you grow your business. Have live training 3 times per week where they go over different resources and content that isn't in the original training. And as individuals, they will hold us accountable to be successful in our business. We will tell them where we're at, where we want to be, and they will give us action steps to take in order for us to get there. Plus, the training isn't a one and done. They are continually adding modules and resources for us. So when I started my affiliate marketing journey, I did not want to promote a program either. And that reason was the same as yours. I felt like it was scammy. I realized that the only reason that I felt that way is because of the program that I was looking into promoting. I'm confident that in finding PIB, I am learning the necessary skills to be able to promote anything that I want to. It does not have to be this program. And the reason I did decide to promote the program is because I believe in it. I feel like it's the best that's out there. I'm loving every minute of it and learning so much. If you're interested in affiliate marketing, I'd love to talk to you more about the program that I'm in, what it can teach you and what you will learn and where you can go with it. Just drop a comment or send me a DM. I'd love to chat with you.